What's up, guys? C10KID back here again, and we are actually at Brothers Truck Show this weekend. So today's the day before, and we are actually checking in the hotel right now. As you can see, there's my dad and my Uncle Dallas right there, and we're checking in. And tonight's gonna be kind of the pre-show type of thing, and me and my brother just chilling right now. We're about to go unload everything, so I'll let you guys know how the night goes on.
We tell them, I go, we started to move, but honestly, we started talking. I forgot you were with us. We started driving away. We're over here.
Hey, Dallas! Over here!
He's gonna throw the soda at me.
Two monsters?
You ain't gonna get enough exercise between today and tomorrow.
Well, what happened? This is what happened.
Yeah, see what had happened was
The manager guy was like, "Hey, can you move that over?" So I started driving, and me and her started talking. I forgot you were even with us at the moment. Yeah,
that happens. That happens.
Yeah.
Alright, what's up, guys? So we just left the hotel. We went to get some lunch. Everybody's here, out there talking. Not everybody, but my Uncle Tino got here, and now we're gonna head back to the hotel and see who's all there now, because I'm pretty sure more people are there, and I'll show you guys all the trucks and everything there. Alright, guys, so we got to the hotel, and a couple more people showed up. We got a couple trucks, so should all be good.
checked in yet. So,
Motel.
Holiday.
Hey, I'm gonna tell Pacey you got a new sidekick.
that's right. Let them know.
All right, we're out here with Black Rob.
Oh, what
hold
you-
on,
hold
hold
on.
on, hold the horse.
Public works. Yeah, public works. Yeah.
All right, so
Hold on. I gotta find where I'm going first.
you're going across the street, that way.
I don't know what
Hold on,
hotel
hold
this is.
Yeah, it's that way.
It's called the Norco Inn or something like that.
Oh, Norco Inn.
Corona Inn or something like that. It's something cheesy. Something's gonna get me in jail. Oh, are we on? Are we live?
We're live.
Okay.
All right, so I'm out here with Black Rob, Rob Beasley, Rob CB on Instagram.
AKA Chair Famous.
Yeah, he's Chair
everybody knows
Famous.
me. You know how we get down.
He'll get busy with his chair tomorrow at Brothers. And so tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey, dude, I got into the game early, you know, just as a passenger and as a spectator. I really wasn't into, you know, owning my own truck. It was more just like admiring the guys who already had one and was involved with them. And then, you know, as you can see, if you remember, you know, the guys did the One in Fun, where I bought a truck from Sam, you know, Sam C, Castronova, the guy that owned Poncho. He put me on point, got me this truck, and then all the guys, you know, kind of anteed up and put it on point, you know, gave me new seat, wheels, tires, and lowered it, the suspension, the whole nine, you know. So since then, this is my truck, so I love it. So now I'm involved in the truck game, if you will. You know, I'm part of the family with my own truck, not just having a chair.
Yeah.
So this is my first time actually driving it here to California for the Brothers Show. I drove it in December for the Christmas run with the C10 Club, but never in the heat to the show. So this is the first time we're doing it. It was one heck of a run because of the heat. You know, it got warm. You know what I'm saying? Temperature gauges started moving. You know what I'm saying? Usually they sit dead centered 190, 195, 200, 210.
Yeah.
I'm pushing 220 strong. Nervous, you know?
Yeah.
But we stopped, you know, and let them cool down for a second and kept it moving. So we made it here in about 7.5 hours from Phoenix. So it was a good run. All the guys kind of stayed together and, you know, helped each other out. So what can you say?
So I got to know Rob through going to multiple things in Arizona, and he was just always one to stand out and make himself known, kind of the clown and the jokester of the group. And me and him kind of just clicked from the beginning, and ever since then he's my boy. So I just want to let you guys meet him, let you guys know who he is. And this is his ride right now. I showed you guys before, but now we're stopped. I don't know if you can see the wheels or not, but this is it. And
can they see me? Look.
Yeah.
They checking me? They checking me out? They checking me out? All right. The chair's in the back.
Right there.
You can never forget where you came from. You can never forget where you came from. I forgot. I'm the guy that had the chair and sat in front of everybody else's truck. Yeah. Now I got my truck and I sit in front of my own truck, and all the guys are like, hey, you gotta sit in front of my truck. You gotta bless my truck, you know? Yep. So I still got a job. So it's like I got my own truck. Still, I gotta show homage and love to everybody else with the truck out there now. So guys are sending me DMs. You know, it goes down in the DM when the guys are like, hey, when I see you, put your chair in front of my truck and bless me. So I still got a job, so I had to be here for that.
Of course. So if you guys want to see all of his pictures, he's taking what, maybe like 300, 400?
Oh, yeah.
He's taking.
You was a photographer the first year. You was coming with me and taking pictures.
I was a photographer for the first 2 years of him doing it. So I take almost every picture on his Instagram.
Right. Yeah. You did the flippergram. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you started that up. So
I did a lot.
Yeah.
So go check out his Instagram, RobCB. It'll be on the screen somewhere or in the description. And just go give him a follow, check out his stuff. And
check out the ride after that. You know, there's gonna be a video shoot.
Yeah. I'll do some nice cinematic shots tomorrow on the cruise there. And you guys can check it out. We'll let you know.
Put my name on the map.
That's right. All right, see you guys later. All right, so before we switch back to the trucks and stuff, I just want to let you guys know we ran a red light in between that filming, and we were supposed to be looking for a hotel, but we just kept going straight. We got distracted, but
and just ran through a light.
Yeah.
We're both just
We got excited.
Yeah, and doing it reckless. No
Yeah.
seatbelt. Well, you got one.
I got
Yeah, you're
seatbelts.
smart. Yeah.
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 So
I'm sitting
okay.
here reckless.
Great lighting.
Yeah. In the
Alright.
city where weed
Yeah,
is legal
yeah,
without a seatbelt on. What kind of guy am I? I'm
But
a bad freaking
We're in the
role
dark
model.
right now.
Can you still see me? That was racist.
Yeah,
that
we
was
can see.
Okay, all right.
I mean,
Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah, we can
Am I
see the
shiny?
shirt. We
I
can see
feel
your shirt.
sweaty, dude. I feel like I'm shiny. That thing got a filter on it. I didn't. Don't give me the orange or nothing like that. You know,
no.
keep it, dude. You know, maybe black and white that mug out. You know, give me the black and white mug, like it was old.
All right, so we're gonna look for the hotel. 2 keys. All right, man. We go. Hey, man. All right.
Oh, I just got it.
What's up, guys? So I just woke up, and it's like 4:55 in the morning or something like that. Loading up all of our bags inside the truck and getting ready to go on the cruise to Brothers. We're all gonna get up right now and then meet at a McDonald's parking lot so that we could all meet up, then officially drive there. So keep you guys posted, let you know when we're there. Alright guys, so that was the Cruiser Brothers. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I shot in 4K. I used up like a whole memory card for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And everybody's pulling in right now. It's getting filled up. There's this whole section, there's a whole section over there, and big pump probably. So it should be fun. I'll show you guys more of the trucks when they're parked so you can see them a little better. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy that, and let's get on with the day. Alright guys, I had a great time at the show. I had a great time with the Hojo and the Brothers show itself. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I had a great time. Sorry about the choppy footage on the way to the show. I shot in 4K with a low frame rate, so I just want to do that again. And a lot of people are commenting about Fetty Drop. and asking like where it's at, what's the progress with it, and it's actually a roller right now. You guys can go check out my Instagram and see the current stage of it. And it has all the wheels on, all the Porterbuilts on, the crown suspension drop spindles, the Porterbuilt bed race kit, the Boyd gas tank, all that's on. The body's pretty much complete now, and yeah, I'm super excited about it. Next is the AccuAir, then the motor and everything else like that. And I will be doing a video of the AccuAir itself soon, just showing you guys what it is and how it works and everything like that, and then a separate video installing it. So look forward to that, and definitely look forward to more videos of me introducing people that are kind of in the group and who you're going to see repeatedly in my videos, just like the one in this video with Rob. Just more of like who they are and a little bit of their backstory and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. And still with the Fetty Drop banners, if you guys want more of those, I've had a couple people comment saying they want one, but not really enough to have an actual run of them. So if you guys are interested in that, just comment below. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Please share my video. Turn my post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next one.